Welcome to U.S. Healthcare Nurses. In today's video, we will feature the Care Recipient Service Request. In order to get to the Care Recipient Service Request tab, simply log on to the website www.ushealthcarenurses.com. Click on the second button on the home screen for the Care Recipient tab. You will then see a blue Create Service Request button in the middle of your screen. Click on the button. If it's your first time logging into the Care Recipient page, you will need to enter your email and create a password. After you've created your email and password, simply click the Sign In button. After you sign in, you will see a green message at the bottom right of your screen that says Login Successful. Now you are able to create a new service request. Simply click on the New Service Request button. Here, you'll be prompted to select the type of service by using the drop-down. Enter the start date, which is the day that you would like the services to start. Enter the start time, which is the time the shift starts. And enter the date, which is the day that you want the service to end. Next, enter the total hours, which is the number of hours for the week. Lastly, you would select your frequency, which represents the days of the week that you want the service conducted. Then you simply click Next. You will be redirected to the patient's info screen where you will need to enter the patient's demographics. This includes the patient's name, address, state, gender, and the type of care needed. You may enter the name of the responsible party if it's not the individual filling out the form. Click Next, where you will review information to make sure everything is correct, and then you will click the blue button, Send Service Request. The service request will then be added to your service history. Your new service request will be sent to local agencies where they will be able to bid on your job. You will receive an email with bids from agencies so that you can choose the agency that you want to provide the service. For more information and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on our other social media platforms. More information is found in the description below.